These are the slip tapes from my Kawai MP11. I had to replace them because they looked like this, delaminated, torn, and sticky. My Kawai MP11 had become unplayable. Almost all the keys were sticking or jamming, so I decided to open it up. I removed the keys, one octave at a time. Then I gave the inside a good clean with a vacuum. There was quite a lot of dust in there. I measured the original slip tapes. The ones on the white keys are wider than the ones on the black keys. Next, I removed the old slip tapes completely. Some came off easily, while others had to be scraped away with a knife. I took felt made from pure sheep's wool, 1.2 millimeters thick, and glued it to the rough side of a 0.8 millimeter Chamois-tanned deer leather hide. Deer leather has one smooth side and one rough side. Once the glue had set, I cut the material into strips and then into small squares. These were glued to the wooden part of the keys, exactly where the old slip tapes had been, with the felt made from pure sheep's wool facing down and the smooth leather side facing up. Here's the finished result. Deer leather as the slip tape, with felt made from pure sheep's wool as the damping layer, glued directly to the key. The hammer mechanism also needs to be removed. Clean the metal contact point with alcohol to get rid of any adhesive from the old slip tapes. Then reinstall the hammer. It needs to click into place at the back. If you hold it by the metal weight at the front, it shouldn't drop down. Once the hammer is properly seated, put the key back in. When all the keys are back in place, close up the piano. And that's it. Job done. It took me about 5 hours to replace all 88 slip tapes. In total, the materials cost just under $40. Not bad for bringing the MP11 back to life.